Hello guys, today I'm going to step up my game a little bit and draw on a big canvas. Time to sketch. As per usual, I'm using the postcard markers. So it's time for a break and I'm going to make a delicious cup of tea. Delicious, time to draw. So coloring done, time to ink.
My blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling.
I just finished the drawing. Hope you like it. Here's a little sneak peek of my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really love you guys. Peace. See you guys in the next one.